When we turn on the air conditioner in our vehicle, there is a peculiar smell from the air conditioner. It feels like the air volume is at the same level, and the air outlet is not as big as before. What should we check? First, we need to check the air conditioning grid. Has it not been replaced for a long time? Needs to be replaced. Now I teach you how. Disassembly of the air conditioning compartment and air conditioning compartment and installation precautions. The installation location of the air conditioner compartment varies depending on the vehicle model. High-end models have internal and external air conditioning compartments. Ordinary models only have one air conditioning compartment. Now we open the cover. Find the air inlet from the air conditioning compartment. Find the external air conditioner compartment. Then we select air conditioners with the same specifications and models. According to the car model, pay attention to the direction of the arrow on the air conditioner grid. Arrow points downward. Install into the air conditioner grid slot. For built-in air conditioning compartment, most are located at the foot of the passenger cab. There are also a few models with built-in air conditioning compartments located on the right side of the main cab. Now let's get started. Remove the built-in air conditioning compartment. First, we need disassemble the extra accessories of the air conditioner. Remove the air conditioning compartment accessory cover counterclockwise. Then remove air conditioning partition cover. When removing the air conditioning compartment cover, we should break it apart gently without force. It is easy to damage the air conditioning partition cover. We should pay attention when removing the air conditioner grill. The installation direction of the air conditioning grid. When the shape of the air conditioning grid is irregular, we need to pay attention. Its installation direction. Can make a mistake, otherwise it will squeeze and damage our air conditioner grill, resulting in poor filtering effect.